most talented writers of India. 10 most talented writers of the India mean somebody we like the. So one talented writer, that is the Munshi Premchand. Somebody will like the another talented writer. So that's why it is not a common. So there is no common for that one. That's why it is not a set. Okay, na? No, it is not a set right now. Why? What is the reason is? Understand everyone. Reason is, what is the reason is? Somebody will like the Premchand Kahani novels. Somebody will like the some other Endamuri novel. Somebody will like the another Endamuri novel. Therefore, it is not a common. Therefore, it is not a set. No, it is not a set. Right on. No, it is not a set. Not set. Now write down it. That's enough. Third bit. Go through the third bit, everyone. Go through the third bit. What is the third bit is? A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So a team of, not understanding, sir. Abhay. Abhay. See the set means, what is the first bit is? Set means starting with J names. J name. What is the in 12 months? What is the starting names of the JE? J is January starting with J, and June starting with J, and July starting with J. Therefore, it is a set. Okay, na? So January it is a, out of 12 months we have the January month and June month and July month we have. Therefore, it is a set. Okay, na? It is clear. Out of 12 months, J name we have the months. Therefore, it is a set. Any doubt? Am I clear? Second, go through the second one is, what is the second one is? The collection of 10 most talented writers of India means, so many writers we have, not only one talented, so many writers we have, but there is no common. One will be write the crime stories, one will write the love stories, some write the family stories. No common. Somebody will write the opinion, but most talented writers. Opinion, most talented writers means. So who is the most talented writers we can take? So what is the names is? So this academic year, we have selected some talented years writers. Next year we are going to select some talented writers. Point is understanding. So one not a continuously it is going on. Continuously it is not going on. Talented writer means it is not possible to define. So talented writers mean, how can you calculate? How can you define talented? How can you calculate it talented? Somebody will say that. So writing the poems is a talented. Somebody will tell that writing the novels is a talented. Somebody will tell the writing the crime stories is novels is a talented. Somebody will tell that family stories novels writer is a talented. Talented means no measurement. But so that's why it is not a set. It is not a well defined. Talent means how can you well define? So not well defined. So talent is not well defined. Therefore, it is not a set. Understand this point? Next one. A team of 11 best cricket batsmen of the world. So best cricket mean, what is the best? How can you define? Best is possible to define. Somebody will tell that, sir, what is the cricketer name? Is the best. Dhoni is the best. Somebody will tell. No, sir. Somebody will tell. Some other name is telling best cricketer, sir. So best cricketer is not a define. It is not possible to define. So novel, best novel. How can you not define? Right. Dhoni is a, somebody will tell. Somebody will tell is a now the right. It is not a set. Very good. So best means it is not well defined because of how can you define? How can you define best? How can you define best? It is not possible. Therefore, it is not a set. Understand point? It is not a set. No, not a set. Right now. No, not a set. Fourth bit. Fourth bit, everyone see. So best, not possible to select. Best, not possible to select. We can understand this point. Best, not possible to select. And talented, it is not possible to select. There is no define. There is no define. Fourth one, the collection of all boys in our class. A collection of all boys in our class. In our class, for example, in our class, 40 students is there. So 39, 40 students is there. 30 is the boys, 10 is the girls. We can collect all the names of the 30 members. We can collect all the names of the 30 members. Therefore, it is a set. So all 30 members is possible to collect the names in our class. Is it possible or not possible? Is it possible? Therefore, it is a set. Now write down. So for example, in class, I will take one example. In class, 40 members is there. In that one, 30 members is the boys, 10 members is the girls. Okay, now 30 members boys names is possible to write on the list is a possible. Therefore, it is a set. Write down. Yes. Yes, it is a set. Write down. Fifth point. Everyone see the fifth point. Collection of all natural numbers less than 100. Collection of natural numbers. Write down the natural number set. Less than 100. Write down the natural number set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Up to 99 is a natural number set. Is it possible to write? Therefore, yes, it is a set. Yes, it is a set. Everyone write down the fifth one. Everyone write down the fifth one. Everyone see the fifth one is. Everyone see the fifth one. The collection of all natural numbers. Fifth one is completed. Sixth one. A collection of novels read by the writer Munshi Premchand. Right. Sixth one. Now, what is the novels of the writer Munshi Premchand? It is possible to write the names of the novels. Names of the novels of the. So novel 1 and name, novel 2 name, novel 3 name. Is it possible to write? Munshi Premchand. Premchand novels is for right. Novel 1 name we can write. Novel 2 name we can write. Novel 3 name we can write. Is it possible of the particular author? Therefore, it is a set. Yes, it is a set. Yes, it is a set. Understanding the point? Next, collection of all even integers. Sixth one also said, sir. Very good. Sixth one also said. Seventh one, collection of all even integers. What is the even integers? Tell me. What is the even integers? So seventh one, see. Tell me what is the even integers? What is the even integers? Tell me, what is the even integers? Seventh also said. Very good, Ravi. So even integers, see. 2, 4, 6, 8, and dot, 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 dot. And -2, -4, -6, dot, dot, dot. These all are even integers. These all are even integers. Yes, it is a set. Yes, set. Right on. Next one, eighth one. Everyone see the eighth one. Also set up. They are telling eighth one also set. Very good. Tell me. Not a set. Ninth one is not a set. Very good. What is the reason is? What is the reason is? Somebody tell that tiger is a dangerous animal. Okay, na? Different people select different animals. Very good. Different people select different animals. So somebody will tell that lion is a different, crocodile is a, somebody will tell, and somebody will tell that snake is a different. So opinions are different. Opinions are different. So therefore, it is not a set. Now write down. So opinions of the different people select different peoples. Different people select different animals. Different animals. Therefore, not a set. Not set. Write down. Okay, now understand now it is. Right, second problem, come to the second problem, everyone. Everyone come to the second problem. What is the second problem is? Symbols is given. One is, this is, name is the belongs to. Belongs to means already I will tell that. Belongs to mean, it is a element of that one. It is a number of element. It is belongs to. It is an element. Already I tell that in material. Okay, this is the symbol of E. Does not belongs to. It is not an element. Does not belongs to. So does not belongs to. So it is not a element. It is a element. Okay, na? So A set is given. Second problem, see everyone. A set is given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A set is given. Now everyone see first bit is 5 element in the A set or not in the A set. See, 5 belongs to, very good. Understand? So 5 madam belongs to A set. Second one C. Everyone second one C. Very good, Dipti. Right. Second one C. 8. 8 belongs to A, does not belongs to A, does not belongs to A. 8 is not in the set. 8 is not in the set. Next one. 0. 0 belongs to sector, not belongs to sector C. 0 is not in the A set. 0 is not in the A set. Right. 0 does not belongs to A set. 4. Everyone see the 4 belongs to na, does not belongs to na. 4 belongs to A. 4 belongs to A. 51 C. 2 belongs to A. 2 also in the set. Dash fill up with belongs to. Right. 61 C. 10 belongs to na, does not belongs to A sector. Belongs to does not belongs to. 10 is not in the A set. No, sir. Very good. Very good. Right. Everyone come to the third problem. Everyone come to the third problem. First, everyone come to the third problem. Third problem. Write the following sets in the roster form. Roster form is listed form, table form. Okay, na? Table form. They will give the what form they are giving. The set builder form is given. We are going to write the roster form. Right. Everyone see. Third problem is write the following sets in the roster form is required. What is the given? A is equal to x such that x is an integer. X is an integer. Everyone see x is an integer and minus 3 only are equal to x less than 7. 7 not equal. 7 not equal. Everyone write down this set. Roster form write down. A is equal to minus 3. Next minus 3. What is the next number? Is a minus 2. What is the next number? Is a minus 1. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next is the 5. Next is the 6. 7 is not included. 7 is not included. Okay, na? So minus 3 going on increases by minus 3 is less than minus 2. Minus 2 is less than minus 1. Minus 1 is less than 0. 0 is less than 1. And 1 is less than 2 up to 6 only. Okay, na? So minus 3 is smaller than minus 2. Negative side is, so greater value is the smaller than the smaller number. Okay, na? So no. No. From minus 3 he is giving from minus 3. From minus 3 he is giving C. Minus 3 is including. Minus 3 is including. Am I wrong? Minus 3 wrong. That is the wrong. 1, 2, 3, 4 is the wrong C here. Minus 3 is giving. Third problem. Minus 3 is given. You are going to the fourth problem. Not fourth problem. Third problem C. Third problem C. Minus 3. Roster form. Minus 3. So minus 2, minus 1 up to 6. 7 is not included. Okay, na? Minus 3 should be included. Yes, minus 3 should be included. I will write minus 3 is included. Okay, na? Minus 3 is included. I will write. Next bit, see everyone. Second bit. Second bit is, see everyone. X is a natural number less than 6. Write down. Less than 6. X is a natural number less than 6. Write down. Natural numbers are starting from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Less than 6 means up to 5 only. 6 is not included. Very good. 0 not included. Right. Third bit. Third bit. Natural number starting with the 1, not with the 0. X is a 2-digit natural number such that sum of the digits is 8. So 2-digit numbers, right? Its sum is 8 required. 2-digit numbers we write, its sum is 8. Okay, na? Everyone see? 2-digit number I am writing 17. 1 plus 7 is the 8. 1 plus 7. 0, 8 is not a 2-digit number. Am I wrong? 0, 8 is not a 2-digit number. So 2-digit number is the 17. Its sum is 8. Next one is the 26. 26. Its sum is 8. Next one, tell me. 35. Its sum is 8. 3 plus 5 is the 8. Next one. What is the next? 44. Very good. 44. Its sum is 8. What about the next number is? What is the next 2-digit number up to 99? Up to 99. What is the next number is? 53. 53. 5 plus 3 is the 8. 62. 6 plus 2 is the 8. 71. 7 plus 1 is the 8. 80. 80 is a 2-digit number. 8 plus 0 is also 8. Okay, na? 2-digit numbers I will write. So after then it is not possible to write. Fourth one C. Fourth one C, everyone. X is a prime number which is a divisor of 60. Which is a divisor of 60. So which is divisor of 60. So divisor, first we can see everyone. This is the divisor. Dividend. 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 This is quotient. This is quotient. Downside is remainder. Downside is remainder. Divisors is required. Dividend 60 is given. Dividend 60 is given. So divisors is required. Divisors is required. What are the divisors? Tell me. Divisors is required. That is also prime numbers. That is also prime numbers. What are the divisors? Tell me. Very good. 2 is the correct. 3 is the correct. 5 also divided 60. 2 also number. 3 also prime number. 5 also prime number. Only these are the 2, 3, 5. 7 prime number but not divide. 11 prime number but not divide. 13 prime number but not divide. Next one. Fifth one, see everyone. Fifth point, see. Fifth point. This is the set of all letters of the trigonometry. E set right down everyone. Trigonometry. So trigonometry the fifth bit. So fifth bit see trigonometry. TRI GONOMETRY. In this one right now, what are the letters? Tell me. So T, first T, repeated only one time. Next R, repeated only one time. Next I is not repeated, that write down. G, not repeated, that write down. O, repeated but write down one time. Yes, trigonon, yes. Y also right. Y also right. Right, sixth one complete. Better write down sixth one, everyone. First you can complete sixth one. BETTER. BETTER. First one write down everyone. Right, BETR, right, very good. Yes, BETR, right, very good. This is the correct. Deepti writing is the correct. What letters is given, that letter should be write down. Same. So this is the second B letter, E letter, T letter, R letter. Separate with commas. Separate with commas means it is a discrete. That element only, no decimals. Very good. Very good. Right, fourth problem. Come to the fourth problem. Come to the fourth problem. Everyone come to the fourth problem. Write the following. Set builder form is required. Set builder form is required. Set builder form is required. Right. Set builder form is required. Set builder form is required. Everyone see when you will. So everyone see set builder form. So here number C is given. What is the number C? The 3. So wrong is given in textbook. Curved bracket put. Curved bracket you can put. So that is equal to what is the curved bracket is the 3, 6, 9, 12. Okay, na? 3, 6, 9, 12. Everyone see 3 is the 3 into 1. 6 is the 3 into 2. 9 is the 3 into 3. 12 is the 3 into 4. 12 is the 3 into 4. Therefore, 3 multiplication. Very good, very good. Very good, they are writing. Write down this set. So, set builder formula S, name put name of this set. So, X such that. So, X is equal to 3 into small n. 3 into small n. N belongs to natural numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the natural numbers. And n is equal to 1 n. So when is starting with 1 and n is ending with 4. N is starting with 1 and ending with 4. Okay, starting with 1 and end with 4. Right, first bit is complete and go through the second bit, everyone. Second bit 2, 4, 8. Right on. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. Everyone see here is 2 power of 1 is the 2. Here is 2 square is the 4. Here is 2 cube is the 8. Here is 2 power of 4 is the 16. Here is 2 power of 5 is the 32. Write down, everyone. First write down. We can write as it first 4 multiples of 3. Yes. Yes. Now write down set builder form. S is equal to X such that X is equal to 2 power of n. N is the natural numbers. Powers is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Natural numbers. Starting number is 1. Starting number is 1 for n. Ending number is the 5. Right, like this one right now. Okay, now? First go through the fifth problem, same model. Third bit, same model. So 2 power of n variant is yes. Right, go through the first. Third bit you can do. First you can do. Third bit. First you can do. Third bit. Third bit is, everyone see. 5, 25, 125, 625. 5 power of 1, 5 square, 5 cube, 5 power of 4. Write down, everyone. So S is equal to X such that X is equal to 5 power of 10. X is equal to 5 power of 10. N is the natural number and n starting with 1 number and ending with 4 number. Right down. Even even natural number. Next bit, right, even natural numbers. Abhay is correct. How many members is joined? I will see one time. Participants. How many members is joined? One time check. Every day we can take. Only 38 is joined today. 38 joined. Remaining persons, we can tell them tomorrow onwards. Compulsory we take the attendance. Okay, na? Right, everyone go through the fourth bit. Fourth bit. 2, 4, 6, so on, so on. These are the even numbers. These are the even numbers we can write. This is the multiples of 3 or 2 also we can write. Multiples of 2 also we can write. Even numbers are multiples of 2 also we can write. 2 into 1, 2 into 2, 2 into 3. So that is also we can write. 2n also we can write. N is equal to 1 to infinite numbers. Okay, na? Multiples of 2 we can write, or even number also we can write. So x such that x is equal to even numbers. Even numbers, right? Right, everyone go through the fifth bit. Everyone go through the fifth bit. Sir, previous, what is the previous is? Everyone go through the fifth bit. What is the fifth bit is? 149 up to 100. This bit write down. Everyone write down this bit. What is this one is? 1 square. This is the 1 square. This is the 2 square. This is the 3 square. Okay, up to 5 square. Every term is now write down x such that x is equal to n square. So n belongs to n. N starting is with 1. Starting with 1 and ending with 5. Starting with 1 and ending with 5. Third question is, right, square of the natural numbers also correct. That is also, third bit is, what is the third bit? 5 square. Next to 5 cube, 5 power of 4 is the third bit. Okay, na? Fifth bit C. List all the elements of the following set. Listing means we can write the, so what is the form? Roster form. Okay, right, roster form we can write down. Fifth problem. Everyone start fifth problem. Start everyone fifth problem. X is an odd natural numbers. Fifth problem first bit. X is an odd natural numbers. So odd natural numbers is the 1, 3, 5, 7 up to infinite numbers. Write down the second bit. Write down the second bit. Okay, correct. Write down the second bit. X is an integer. X is an integer. What is the given is? Minus 1 by 2 2. Minus 1 by 2 2. Minus 1 by 2 less than x less than 9 by 2. Minus 1 by 2 means, everyone see, minus 0.5 less than x less than 4.5. Only integers write down. Integers write down. Everyone see the line is minus 0.5. Next one is a 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Next one is a 4.5. Only integers write down. Only integers. What are the integers of this set is? What is the integers of this set is? So 0,